Hello, welcome to the video, and as the title suggests, this is a book review video. So this is the wonderful book, Financial Modeling Using Quantum Computing, and these are the authors who shared their knowledge with us. So I would like to thank Packt and all these wonderful authors for allowing me to review this book for all my viewers. So let's get to the agenda for this video. So the first part would be I will try to help you understand what sort of individuals would benefit from this book. The second part would be key features of the book, so the best parts that I felt about this book. The third would be highlights of the book, so basically the structure of the book and summary of the book in a brief. So the very first group of individuals who would probably benefit from this book are the professionals who are at the positions of manager, CTO and CEO, and the second group would be machine learning engineers, and the individuals like data scientists and machine learning engineers who are well versed with classical machine learning. And the third group of professionals would be quantum enthusiasts. So let me tell you why I think this group of people would benefit from this book. So the QC professionals at various positions would benefit from this book because of the following reasons. So very first, I think, is the business perspective. So this book heavily focuses on the business side of quantum computing, the business application side. And later it also talks about the quantum workforce, which is also a good point for all these QC professionals to know. And the book also provides a hardware roadmap, and as we all know that the first challenge that we have in quantum computing is the hardware challenge. So it's a good thing to read for all these professionals. The fourth is the finance domain. As the title of the book suggests, it's a completely finance focused book, and finance domain is something that's very critical for all of us, obviously. And trying to find some applications of quantum computing on this side, I guess would be a great deal for these professionals. So getting to the second part, the second group of individuals is that I feel machine learning engineers would benefit from the book because this book is heavily focused on quantum machine learning and basically quantum optimization and quantum machine learning, and they solve different problems in finance domain via quantum machine learning and using various frameworks like penny lane, Qiskit, D-Wave. So I guess it's something that would interest machine learning engineers for sure. And quantum enthusiasts should also try to read this book. Why? Because of the finance domain. Because if you're an enthusiast, maybe you are just getting started with the quantum computing, and if you just narrow down your focus to a particular domain, I guess it would be a good start for you in your quantum journey. So let's get to the key features of this book. Business perspective. So I guess this was the best part of this book for me. The side that they have presented, the ideas that they have presented on the business application side. I guess that was the best takeaway from this book. There are a lot of case studies involved in the book, to help you understand better. The examples in the book are really good, especially on the finance side, because the individuals who are reading this are obviously not finance professionals or anything, but the examples that they have included in the finance introduction I feel are really good and really easy to understand for anyone. And then the example solving is done using quantum frameworks like Qiskit, penny lane and D-Wave, which is also really great. So you get some hands-on while going through the book. The book is heavily focused on quantum machine learning. So as we know, we have this boom of machine learning, and technologies like generative AI and large language models are like everywhere right now. So while you exploring quantum machine learning, might just help these various professionals to get something more better, something more innovative maybe. So at least it's a good a good read, a good exploration of something for machine learning engineers as well. And the finance domain, obviously finance is a very critical aspect, and for all the startups who are or all those individuals who are looking for finding applications for quantum computing, I guess this is a good book to read. So what are the highlights or the structure of this book? So the section 1 introduces you to all the 3 core components of the book, namely quantum computing, quantum machine learning, and finance. So irrespective of your background, they try to bring everyone on the same level at the end of the section 1 and prepare you for the next section. So the next section is about quantum machine learning in finance. So they help you understand various topics in finance, and some challenges for these topics, and then how you can solve it using quantum machine learning. So that's this section 2 and the core component of this entire book. And then they also give you some hands-on. So it's not like they just show you the formulas and all the theoretical part. They also help you practically solve all of those problems using popular quantum computing SDKs and frameworks. The last and the final section of this book is section 3, where they just talk about the supporting technologies. So like various other technologies like quantum computing and going on in today's era, like HPC for example. And they also have given a good hardware roadmap on the book. And they also talk about quantum workforce as well. So the section 3 is probably what you can say a miscellaneous section maybe, where they talk about everything around quantum computing. And that's it. That's the structure of the book and summary of the book in brief. Thank you very much for watching the video, and I hope you liked the video. And the link for the book would be in the description. So if you actually read the book, let me know in the comments what you felt about the book, what were the key takeaways for you. And that's it for this particular video, but stay tuned on the channel for more quantum computing and quantum machine learning related videos. Thank you very much.